can you show the audience what we can do with data connectors?
Sure. Well, first, we've got a new data connector, CSV. So if your data resides on a CSV file, you can connect it to GeoGraphX today. Literally. Okay, so now about automation. You can use our data connector to connect your data to GeoGraphX and produce at scale. That means these signs for your stores, you can produce them on time and headlessly, meaning automatically. That massive online campaign you're running with all your marketing pillars across platforms and all of the targeting involved, that too. You can produce all of your creatives just like that. All you need is a CSV file with data such as prices, product info, dates, etc. A DAM to link your images, whether it's product shots or lifestyles, and a design system in GraphX Studio. That's it.